Are you looking to earn money and build a fulfilling career or successful venture? This comprehensive guide will illuminate the paths to finding and starting both jobs and businesses, providing you with the essential knowledge and strategies needed to thrive in today's dynamic economic landscape. We'll explore various types of employment and entrepreneurial ventures, effective strategies for securing opportunities, and essential knowledge crucial for anyone aiming to achieve financial independence and significant professional growth. Our goal is to equip you with actionable insights. First, let's differentiate between pursuing a traditional job and launching your own business, as each path offers distinct advantages and challenges that cater to different aspirations and risk appetites. Understanding these differences is key to making an informed decision. A job typically provides a stable income, comprehensive benefits such as health insurance and retirement plans, and a structured environment, often with clear career progression within an established organization. This path offers a predictable routine and a sense of security. Conversely, starting a business offers unparalleled autonomy, the potential for significantly higher earnings, and the profound opportunity to create something new and impactful, but it inherently comes with greater risk, personal responsibility, and often longer hours. Understanding your personal goals, your tolerance for risk, and your desired lifestyle is paramount in deciding which direction aligns best with your aspirations and long-term vision. This self-reflection is a crucial first step before embarking on either journey. Now let's delve into the specific strategies for effectively finding and securing a job in today's highly competitive market, focusing on methods that yield the best results and help you stand out from other candidates. Networking remains an incredibly powerful tool. Actively connecting with professionals in your desired field can open doors to unadvertised opportunities, provide valuable industry insights, and lead to mentorship relationships that can accelerate your career. Online job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor are essential resources, offering a vast array of listings across various industries and experience levels, making them indispensable for your job search. Regularly checking these platforms is crucial. Tailoring your resume and cover letter to each specific job application is absolutely critical. Always highlight skills and experiences directly relevant to the role and the company's needs, demonstrating a clear fit and genuine interest. Preparing thoroughly for interviews by researching the company's mission, values, and recent projects, and practicing common behavioral and technical questions will significantly boost your confidence and overall performance, leaving a strong impression. Consider different job types: full-time, part-time, contract, or freelance work, each offering varying degrees of flexibility, commitment, and income potential. Exploring these options can help you find a role that perfectly suits your current life circumstances and career goals. Now let's shift our focus to the exciting world of entrepreneurship and how to successfully start a business, transforming an idea into a thriving enterprise that generates income and creates value. The first and most crucial step is identifying a viable business idea, which often stems from a problem you can solve, a gap you can fill, or a specific need you can fulfill in the market. This initial spark is the foundation of your venture. Conduct thorough market research to deeply understand your target audience, analyze your potential competitors, and grasp the overall industry landscape, ensuring your business idea has a solid foundation and a clear path to success. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your vision, mission, detailed descriptions of your products or services, your marketing strategy, and realistic financial projections. This document will serve as your roadmap and a tool for attracting investors. Securing funding is often a critical hurdle for new businesses. Options include bootstrapping with personal savings, seeking investments from angel investors, pursuing venture capital, or applying for small business loans. Each option has its own set of requirements and benefits. Consider different business models: e-commerce for online sales, service-based for professional expertise, subscription for recurring revenue, or brick and mortar for physical presence, each with unique operational requirements and customer engagement strategies. Building a strong, dedicated team and establishing a robust legal structure are foundational elements for long-term success and stability, protecting your assets and ensuring smooth operations as your business grows and evolves. Beyond specific strategies for jobs or businesses, certain essential knowledge and skills are universally beneficial for both job seekers and entrepreneurs, providing a strong foundation for any professional endeavor. Financial literacy is paramount. Understanding budgeting, smart investments, and effectively managing both personal and business finances is crucial for long-term stability and growth, allowing you to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Effective communication skills, both written and verbal, are vital for successful networking, excelling in interviews, fostering positive client interactions, and facilitating seamless team collaboration, ensuring your message is always clear and impactful. Strong problem-solving abilities allow you to navigate unexpected challenges, adapt quickly to changes in the market or workplace, and innovate creative solutions in any professional setting, making you an invaluable asset. A growth mindset embracing continuous learning and viewing failures as invaluable opportunities for improvement rather than setbacks is absolutely essential for sustained progress and resilience in both your career and entrepreneurial journey. Excellent time management and organizational skills are critical to ensure productivity, meet deadlines, and effectively balance multiple responsibilities, preventing burnout and maximizing your efficiency in any role or venture. Building a strong personal brand, whether for job applications or business promotion, helps you stand out from the crowd and clearly convey your unique value proposition to potential employers, clients, or investors, establishing your credibility. In today's rapidly evolving world, staying updated with daily new and unique knowledge is not just an advantage, but an absolute necessity to remain relevant, competitive, and innovative in your chosen field or industry. Dedicate time each day to learning something new, whether it's an emerging industry trend, a new software skill, or an advanced business strategy. This consistent effort will compound over time, significantly enhancing your expertise. Follow influential industry leaders, subscribe to relevant newsletters, and actively engage with online communities to absorb fresh perspectives, gain valuable insights, and stay informed about the latest developments and best practices. Podcasts, webinars, and online courses offer flexible and accessible ways to acquire specialized knowledge and continuously keep your skills sharp, allowing you to learn at your own pace and integrate new information into your daily routine. Embrace curiosity and an experimental mindset. Don't be afraid to try new approaches. Analyze their outcomes meticulously and refine your strategies based on what you learn, fostering a cycle of continuous improvement and innovation. This unwavering commitment to daily learning ensures you remain adaptable, resilient, and highly competitive, whether you're diligently climbing the corporate ladder or ambitiously scaling your own entrepreneurial enterprise to new heights. In summary, finding and starting a job or business requires a strategic blend of careful planning, continuous learning, and the development of essential skills that are applicable across various professional contexts. Whether you choose the stability and structure of traditional employment or the dynamism and creative freedom of entrepreneurship, ultimate success hinges on thorough preparation, unwavering perseverance, and a proactive approach to challenges. Remember to actively leverage networking opportunities, meticulously tailor your applications to each specific role, and continuously develop your financial acumen and communication skills to excel in any professional environment. Embrace a growth mindset, viewing every experience as a learning opportunity, and dedicate consistent time to acquiring new knowledge daily to stay ahead and thrive in your chosen field, no matter how rapidly it evolves. Your journey to earning money and achieving your professional aspirations is well within reach with the right approach, a dedicated work ethic, and a commitment to lifelong learning and personal development. Start today, stay informed about industry trends and opportunities, and proactively build the future you envision for yourself, taking deliberate steps towards your goals every single day.